Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the blueprint fragments or the Rebreather. I do know that you only need one fragment to actually properly unlock it so you can build it, but I'm going to show you where to get two of them just in case one of them bugs out, which has been known to happen since we are in the middle of early access. So with that in mind, we're going to start off here at the Lifepod, going to the southeast south between 150 and 165, and we're going to find a debris field kind of to the south in the area where you can find a lot of sulfur and also where you have all of these really tall coral spires. And what you're looking for is just past this one right here that we're passing now. There's going to be a large debris field kind of at the southern end of the upper area of this sulfur zone. And here in this debris field, and I'll show you the coordinates here. Here are the coordinates up on my screen for the debris field, so if you want to use that to help navigate, you can. And then here in this box, kind of in the center, is the Rebreather. You can pop out and give that bad boy a scan. There's also a dive elevator. It looks like there's a bioreactor and probably a few other fragments laying about, including some chunks of salvageable debris and a blueprint box. So that's the first one, and if that one doesn't work out for you, or you want to try a different one, just to be fancy, we're going to head now to the southwest west, directly over the giant hole, or at least next to the giant hole that we began the game in. Actually, I guess we're going to go more to the west-northwest. So scratch that previous estimate. I was gauging my distances and direction a little weird. Ignore this giant clam, although you can check that out if you want and give it a scan. It's probably the largest creature in the game right now. And let me tell you, it's no pushover. So we're going to follow along this giant hole over here along the edge until we reach a hidden colonist bunker over here towards the northwest from where we were. And the coordinates for this bunker I'll put up on screen real quick, just so that you can find it if you need to use a separate navigation tool that uses coordinates. And then inside of this hidden bunker, you can find a bunch of scannables. You can find a biobed upgrade for your character so that you can upgrade your inventory slots. And then over here on this crate is your Rebreather. There's also a whole bunch of good stuff inside of here. There's a power storage module that gives a battery to your base. There is a lab chair. There's some other scannables like a single bed, the floor locker, all kinds of goodies. Make sure you thoroughly check this room over. And then that's it. After that, you should have access to your Rebreather. And the whole point of the Rebreather is it helps you breathe more efficiently, so you don't burn through oxygen nearly as quickly, especially when you're going into super deep water without a tadpole. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.